Hello students, in this video we are going to solve the examples on exercise 8.1 which is based on binomial distribution. So let's see the example number 9. In a box of floppy disk, it is known that 95% will work. A sample of 3 of the disks is selected at random. Find the probability that none, 1, 2, all 3 of the sample will work. So let's discuss the given things. Here 95% disk will work means the probability of working disk is given. So the value of P is given. P is equal to 95%. 95% means 95 out of 100. So the shortest form of this 95 by 100 is 19 by 20. And the second thing is a sample of 3 of the disk is selected at random. Here 3 of the disk is selected at random. So the number of trials are given. That is the value of n is equal to 3 is given. And here find the probability that none, 1, 2 and 3. We know that the probability which I have to find is our x. So here we have to find the probability of x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. So the given things are n is equal to 3 and the probability of single trial P is equal to 19 by 20, that is 95 by 100. From the value of P we get the value of Q. Now first we consider x as a random variable such as the disk. Here the random variable is disk will work and the value of P is 95 by 100, that is 19 by 20, and Q is equal to 1 minus P, that is 1 minus 19 by 20 is equal to 20 minus 19, 1 by 20, and also n is equal to number of trials, n is equal to 3. Now from the value of n, P and Q, using the binomial distribution, we get x follows binomial distribution with parameter n and p. So here by binomial distribution, x follows binomial distribution with parameter n and p. So x follows binomial distribution with n is equal to 3 and p is 19 by 20. And we know that the probability for x is equal to x is equal to NCx p raised to x into q raised to n minus x. Now substituting the value of n, p and q, we get 3cx. P means 19 by 20 raised to x and q means 1 by 20 raised to 3 minus x. So using this probability, we get the probability of x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. So the first probability is x is equal to none. None means x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0. For the value of x is equal to 0, we get the binomial distribution 3c0. Put the value of x is equal to 0 in above formula. Then we get 3c0, 19 by 20 raised to 0 and 1 by 20 raised to 3 minus 0. We know that 3c0 is equal to 1. The value of 3c0 is 1 and 19 by 20 raised to 0 is also 1 into 1 upon 20 raised to 3 minus 0 means 3. So the here we get 1 upon 20 raised to 3 for the probability of x is equal to none, that is x is equal to 0. This is the required answer for the probability for x is equal to none. Now the second probability for x is equal to 1. So using binomial distribution, for the second probability x is equal to 1, we get 3c1 into 19 by 20 raised to x is 1 and 1 upon 20 raised to 3 minus 1. We know that 3c1 is equal to 3 into 19 by 20 into 1 upon 20 raised to 3 minus 1 means 2 is equal to 3 into 19 upon here 20 square, 20 raised to 2 and 20 raised to 1, that is 20 raised to 1 plus 2, 3. So the answer is 3 into 19 by 20 raised to 3. This is the required answer for the probability x is equal to 1. Now the third case is x is equal to 2. And using binomial distribution 3c2, 19 by 20 raised to 2, 1 upon 20 raised to 3 minus 2. 3c2, value of 3c2 is 3 factorial into upon 2 factorial into 3 minus 2, 1 factorial upon into 19 upon 20 square and 1 upon 20 raised to 3 minus 2, 1. Here converting 3 factorial into 2 factorial, we get 3. Here 3 into 2 factorial upon 2 factorial, 2 factorial will be cancelled and answer is 3. So the value of 3c2 is 3 into 19 square upon 20 square into 20 raised to 1, that is 20 cube. So this is the required answer for the probability x is equal to 2. Now the third case is probability for x is equal to all 3 discs. So x is equal to 3, 3c3, 19 by 20 raised to 3 into 1 upon 20 raised to 3 minus 3. 3c3 is 1 and 19 upon 20 raised to 3 into 1 upon 20 raised to 0, and the answer is 19 by 20 raised to 3 into 1 upon 20 raised to 0 is 1. So the required answer is 19 upon 20 raised to 3 for the probability x is equal to 3. So using binomial distribution, we can find out the probability for the different values of x.